Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking the exact issue, age mismatch or blocked features. Open Google account, go to personal info and read the date shown. If it's wrong, gather a government ID or parent's account for consent. That's what Google needs to verify age. Once done, make sure you're signed into the account you want to fix and keep your ID image ready. This accelerates the process and prevents delays when you submit verification details or a consent flow. You now submit the verification. Follow the age restriction prompt or go to Security Ways we can verify you and choose to send a request. Upload a clear, legible photo of your ID, crop to show name and birth date. If you're under the required age, have a parent sign into Family Link or use their Google account to provide consent. They'll receive a confirmation flow. Make sure file formats match Google's requirements and include a short note if info differs from other records. Finish by monitoring email and account notifications for Google's decision, which usually arrives within 24 to 72 hours. Once approved, confirm your date of birth is updated and that restricted features are restored. If verification is denied, don't panic. Read the rejection reason, fix issues like unreadable ID or mismatched names, and resubmit. If automated options fail, use Google's contact support or appeals link in the account. Help menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.